They have two wings to fly. Their bones are arrows that keep them lightweight for flying.
Do all birds fly, sir?
No. Few birds are helpless birds.
I am a horseman. I am the largest bird, but I cannot fly. I am a flyless bird. I lay the largest egg having never just went for normal usage. I am a aquatic bird. The perfectly fly even when swimming underwater. The eye all over my feathers is totally waterproof. I am having one. So, any fun fact about birds?
Yes, sir. Birds are big. They don't have teeth.
I am an Arctic bird. I am a migratory bird. I can fly from North Pole to South Pole, ruling harsh weather conditions.
I am the only bird that can fly backwards, upside down, and I am the smallest bird.
Hello everyone, I am a woodpecker. I can pick at least 20 times per second without getting a headache. Wow, it's amazing. What all are these? These are my nests. These are made up of straw, sticks, leaves and mud. I make nests to protect my young ones from heat, cold and rain.